Where are the keys?
Keys to go where?
I'm going out. I need to go and meet some people.
Gerald, you're joking.
Where are you?
No. Which house? Who are you going to embarrass walking around in town like that with that stomach outside? Why of all clothes did you choose to wear that t-shirt? What's funny?
You're still backward.
Because there are nude pictures all around with tabloids, you decide to walk around with the umbilical cord in public. Why are you wearing?
Because you have not heard about fitting.
Fitting?
Yes, it's the new trend.
The only trend I know is that such clothes you are wearing only fit a 10-year-old boy. Why are you wearing kids' clothes? Of all the clothes in the bedroom, you chose that one. To embarrass who?
This is adult.
Adult what?
Dressing.
Adult what?
This is fitting.
Why would you wear such a... Of all the shirts that you have, why would you wear such a shirt that shows your umbilical cord? Why? Why? You want to go around embarrassing me? You want children to first go on strike. Do you know how many children in orphanages that do not have clothes, and you are there busy wearing the clothes on the streets? So you want to pass and look at Kasime's husband, mama. Kasime's husband is wearing... And you walk around looking like that.
You're lucky they are going, at least they will say Kasime's husband is stylish.
Stylish of where? Daddy, that is not even condition. You don't even have an umbilical cord. Yours is a hole. That is a whole show. You're not going to... What? Now we see tabloids showing that revealing naked, shocking pictures inside, and they open and you're there, who is there? They are not... Children don't have clothes in orphanages. You're there busy wearing their clothes. You want them to what? Go on social media and say, hashtag, Gerald, bring back our clothes. You want them to first do that and then you begin walking, or you're not going to embarrass me.
Kasime, where are the keys?
You look malnourished. Leave around the kids. I'm not going to allow you to get out of this house and go around embarrassing me. It's bad enough I got married to this. Then now you go around exposing the private problems I have. Those are my problems. Does everyone have to now deal with a tennis in bed? That is like a football. Others walk around with 6 packs. They walk around and they are going to the gym. You have one. All the 6, you've put them in one pack and walking on the streets. You look like you're malnourished.
It is not my problem that you're not fashion. You're not into fashion.
Leave fashion alone. I don't know where you picked that fashion from, where you got it from. I don't even care. But trust me, whoever's wearing the shirt like that didn't have a stomach like that one. Why are you going dressed like that? Have you seen yourself?
Where are the keys?
Have you seen yourself? I'm not going to... You're going to go and change. You go to the bedroom and change.
Just give me the keys.
Look at me. Do I look like I'm about to give you the car keys? Go inside and change. I'm not going to sit here and be humiliated. It's okay. Getting married to you was embarrassment enough. I'm not going to let the whole public know what I've been going through. You go and change. Shia. Jesus Christ. No wonder we don't have children. You're going to walk around on the streets. People would think you ate our children with such a stomach being exposed like that. I'm not going to be humiliated. You're not going anywhere.
Don't